Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to refill every hidden chat in your Telegram app without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up our Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram app, one of the first easy way to refill any hidden chat in Telegram account is that you come to the top right here, just swipe this way. Once you swipe this way, I'm going to drag this way, then you'll see a folder right here. It can be named in anything or anything can be used as a name right here. So if you take a look at this one, this was denoted as emoji. But if I open up this part of folder, you find out that we have hidden chat right here, just like what you see right here. So this is one of the first way to see hidden chat or refill any hidden chat in Telegram. So let's go back to our chat right here. So all chats. So the next way to find some of the swipe down this way in Telegram, then you find Anki chat right here. So what you need to do there is to go ahead and click on it, and here you find every hidden chat or Telegram channel or group in these sections right here. Lastly, for you to find or refill hidden chat in Telegram, go ahead and come down below right here, click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and then make sure you go ahead and click on chat folders. Then from chat folders right here, you have your hidden chat folder right here. Go ahead and open up. Then you have every hidden chat contact right here. From here, you have all the contact that is hidden from chat in these sections right here. It's that simple. So this is how to find every hidden chat in your Telegram account. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.